See, you know it's strong because if I can't pull it apart. So our buddy Francisco is helping us make brackets for the awning, and this is kind of the rough mount we have put together. 1/4 inch angle with a 1/4 inch rectangular tubing, and this is going to go into the tracks on the roof of the van, and the awning has 3 of these little brackets that the awning kind of slides into. It goes into a slot on the top and it cradles the bottom. So the way we're going to do it is screw this bracket into this rectangular tubing and tighten it in all 3 spots. There's going to be carriage bolts that go on the top, and here's a countersunk bolt, and then this will mount into the awning, or I mean the track on the roof. It'll be in 3 places, and our awning will sit, lock into it, and then be tightened in there with some screws that go on the bottom from the factory. So we just did a dry fit. Now Francisco's welding up all the aluminum pieces now for good, and then we'll do a final fitting.
With the extra middle leg like the Fiamma.
Well, it's not as wide, I think. It's gonna help. So we are done with the awning. Check it out. We've got 3 brackets that we made. One goes all the way in the front, one goes slightly in the back, and then one goes all the way in the back. And it turned out to be a perfect fit just before our crossbars on our surfboard rack and road shower rack. We got the spacer to go in between the mounting plate and also the mount itself to come out a 1/4 inch, which makes this little mechanism work a lot better, because otherwise they had a hard time clearing that space there on the side of the van. So we're happy with the way it turned out. It was a total custom job, thanks to our buddy Francisco for helping us. Francisco, if you guys don't know, is the guy who owns this beast right here. That's a Land Rover 101 with a full custom camper in the back, and it actually slides off this truck platform. He's also the owner of that Airstream. I'll put the video of that Airstream that I made over here, as well as this Land Rover over here, which I also have a video of. You can see it right there. He's got all kinds of other toys in here. But thanks to Francisco for lending us a hand, helping us make this custom bracket to get that awning up there, because otherwise we would have had a real hard time doing it. We made it out of aluminum as well, so that we don't have to ever worry about it rusting. It had to be real custom because our solar panel was in the way, and also we had to mount it into the rail, which was difficult. Here's Francisco.
That's the guy.
We gotta do a tour of your new camper.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna do a tour of this camper, which won't be included in this video, but it'll be a whole separate video coming up. Stay tuned for that. I want to thank you guys for watching. I know it's been a while since we uploaded a van build video. We've been busy doing other projects and also actually living out of this van. Probably about half time. You know, we're doing some traveling locally in the Southern California, Arizona area, and we got a few more weeks to go before we start heading east and start to go on to our next big adventure. Thanks for your support. Until then, stay subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take out the gas can from inside.